Well, a lot of people are getting ready to take a road trip for the 4th of July. It can be hectic traveling with the family or just traveling in general, right? But our organizing expert, Vicki Norris, is here with a trick to keep everything in order. Hey, Vicki.
Hey, Molly.
What do you have for us today?
Well, I'm excited because I travel a lot, and I have created this little tool for myself. I call it my health caddy, and I want to share it with viewers today because we are traveling on airplanes. We are exposed to the nasty hotel air, right? We don't eat as well as we should when we travel. We forget our vitamins, and then we get sick. And so for myself, I created this little organized way of natural health for traveling, and I thought you guys would enjoy it. So
yeah. Okay, so what do we have here?
Okay, so this is my little caddy here, and you can just go get a cosmetic bag at the store and then outfit it just for health. And so I've got my essential oils here, and one thing I do take with me everywhere I go is this little diffuser. So I set this up with my essential oils in the hotel room as soon as I arrive, and I diffuse so that it's nice and clean air, so that I don't get sick. So that's kind of step one.
And this is so small.
I know.
love that. Yeah, very travelable.
Yes, it's nice and easy. And then I've got my eye drops. And by the way, I should say, I don't represent any of these products. This is just a professional organizer's dream way to stay organized when I travel.
Perfect.
So, of course, nose spray for all the allergies that you might get on airplanes and in different cities. I have these little wellness fizzes that I can put in water and boost my immunity. Of course, Band-Aids. Everybody needs Band-Aids when you travel,
Hopefully
right?
not, but you should have them on
Well,
hand.
you know, for our heels and the different shoes we're wearing, right, when we travel.
Exactly.
This is a new addition. This is peppermint water.
Oh.
And you would be amazed to know that this can be bug spray. Or for sore and tired feet, too.
Bug spray that doesn't stink.
Right, right. And it's a natural solution. So that's what we're aiming for here, because organizing is about good life management. It's about managing yourself in season and out and staying healthy. I mean, if you don't have your health, you can't enjoy anything, right?
Exactly.
This is my favorite. This is the soothing throat spray, and I speak a lot and when I travel, and then also on airplanes and stuff, you can just squirt it in your mouth, and it's lots of good herbs. So a soothing throat spray. And I should say, all of this, these items, I have a list of them on our Facebook page at Restoring Order.
That's so helpful, Vicki.
Yeah, so we've got them little zinc tablets to keep me healthy, magnesium for, you know, sore muscles or you can't sleep. But I want to show you this. A lot of times we forget our little powders and the things that we do to boost our health, you know, day to day. So this is my collagen powder. You can just package that up. And then I take a little shake with me. I take little packets of shakes, and then I bring my little shake maker. And what's great here is that, you know, sometimes even the little breakfast that they offer you at hotels, it's not that great, right? It doesn't help you stay healthy. So you can bring little extra shakes with you for meal replacement to stay healthy. And then, of course, you want your wipes and your tissues. But I think setting up a little organized way to maintain natural health while you travel is a great solution.
I love it, Vicki. And again, this cute thing for your
Vitamins and supplements.
Yeah, that's great.
So my little tray of vitamins, I found that sometimes it pops open, and I have vitamins at the bottom of my suitcase. But I went to the beading section, you know, where you can like organize beads, and I found this cool thing where you can actually have your vitamins in these individual containers, and then when you go to the conference or whatever, right, you can pop it in your purse, just one serving. And so this is a great way to store your vitamins when you travel.
Brilliant. And again, you have all this listed on your Facebook page, Restoring Order.
Yeah, they can just go out, find Vicki Norris Restoring Order, and we've got a whole list of everything that's in the travel health caddy.
Awesome.
So here's to your summer health.
Yeah, safe travels, everyone. Thanks, Vicki.
Absolutely.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. Be sure you subscribe to the channel and check us out at restoringorder.com.